Okay. Okay, so here's the bow. This is just tulle, several layers of tulle. Underneath is a little foam hat I made because I wanted to get a better shape on her head. Here are the arms of the ghost. A buttonhole for the button because I wanted this bag to be removable so Aveline can use it in the future. So here's the bag and she can use it by itself. It has two elastics here to kind of get a better fit. Whoa! Exclamation mark!
Exclamation mark. That's two O's and one B.
And look, Glittery can hang out right there. There we are. Glittery was the hardest one to make because he's a puppet. It fits my pinky and my ring finger, which controls his chelicera, or his like fangs. And then it fits Aveline too. Do you like Glittery, Aveline?
Yeah, she's back. Heavily.
Okay, knock on the door.
Knock, knock.
Hello, little girl. What are you dressed up as?
A ghost.
A ghost? And what do you have here?
With Glittery.
Which one do you want?
This one.
Happy Halloween!
How
How many candies do you have?
90
Do you mean 100?
Yeah.
100 candies? Yeah, look at that. We got this. That's awesome. Pirate's booty.
I have a booty too.
You do have a booty. Why are you crying? Did you cry so hard you farted?
Oh, no, it was so good. Thank you, Aveline.
Oh, what?
What's that?
Dude, you need to stop.
We're messing with you. Hey, is this your candy? Is it there?
Yeah.
Did I eat it all?
Nope.
Then stop crying.
Just wait until tonight.
Yeah, wait till I actually eat it all tonight.
Oh, God. Aveline, what are you?
A skeleton.
Let me see that little dance you did. We're charging up the glowing stuff. Whoa! Dance! Dance, 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 dance!